Hey folks, this is Teddy. I'm going to update the settings and privacy video I did a couple years ago because it's time to make a new one. So let's talk about your LinkedIn settings and privacies. First of all, go to me. Right there it is, settings and privacy. It's broke up right now into 4 different pieces. Here's my account settings, privacy settings, ad settings, and communication settings. And you can see that under account, there's login, site and preferences, subscription partners, and account management. Now, I'm not going to click on every one of these, but I'm going to tell you a few that are absolutely critical for you to pay attention to. Number 1, email addresses. Make sure that you have your business email address and your personal email address. Number 2, put a phone number in there that people can get access to you. Make it easy for people to get access to you. Number 3, here's another area where you're signed in. Look at that. I've got 7 active sessions. You want to make sure that you look at that every now and then. Here's another one that's critical. 2-step verification. Turn on 2-step verification. I cannot emphasize that enough. You want to go through the rest of these settings and you want to make a decision as to which one of these you want to use, how you want to adjust them. Something to look at is Twitter settings. This is where you add your Twitter account or accounts. Okay, merge LinkedIn accounts. If you have an old account, make sure you can log into it and you get to it there. If you want to get rid of your LinkedIn account, this is where you do this. By the way, you can't close an account if you are the admin of a company page or a LinkedIn group, just an FYI. Privacy. Under privacy, this is where you edit your public profile. Who can see your email addresses? By the way, you can hide that now. Who can see your connections? You can hide that. You want to go look through each one of these. I don't want to click on them one by one because some of it's my own personal setup. I want to encourage you to look at your settings and your privacy and make a decision how you want to use this. How do you want to manage it? By the way, also under privacy, this is where you download your data right there. You download all your member data. Let's go look at ads. Insights on websites you visited. You can see I got most of this turned off. Okay, and most of it's turned off, but there's some new stuff that's popped up that I haven't changed. I want you to consider looking at your settings and privacy under ads and make a decision what you want configured for you. What do you want to change? How do you want to protect your privacy on LinkedIn? The last section, communications. Notifications. If I were to show that to you, most of my notifications are turned off. Most of my email is turned off. All of my SMS is turned off. Why? Because I'm in LinkedIn every day. I don't need it hitting my email and my text messages. You can manage, you can send you invitations. You get messages from other members and partners. Read receipt. Turn it on and turn it off for your messaging. Okay? Lots of different options that you can turn on and turn off under your settings and privacy, which is again accessed right here. Click on me and settings and privacy, and it brings you here. I really encourage you to make deliberate decisions as to how you're going to manage your privacy and settings in LinkedIn. I am Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope that is helpful.